In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bar graph to Google Slides efficiently and professionally. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, visualizing your data with a bar graph can make your slides more engaging and easier to understand. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. If you haven't already, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. It's part of Google's suite of productivity tools, and you can easily find it by searching for Google Slides or by navigating through your Google account app menu. Once you're on the homepage, it's important to sign in with your Google account. Signing in ensures you have access to all your saved presentations and any templates you might want to use. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can choose to start from scratch or use a template. To create a new presentation, simply click on blank for a fresh slate, or if you're looking for some inspiration, explore the various templates available to you. Templates can be incredibly helpful as they offer pre-designed slides with cohesive color schemes and layouts, saving you time and effort. With your presentation open, look towards the top of the window and click on the Insert tab. This is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your slide, including images, text, tables, and of course charts. Selecting the Insert menu opens up a drop-down where you will see the option marked Chart. Selecting Chart will present you with different types of graphs and charts that you can incorporate into your slide. To zero in on the specific graph we want, choose Bar from this list. Bar graphs are particularly useful for comparing quantities across different categories and can be tailored to suit various types of data. After clicking on Bar, a generic bar chart will appear on your slide. This is where you can enter and edit your data. A spreadsheet will open simultaneously in another tab, allowing you to customize the information shown in your chart. You can input your own data directly into this sheet. The information entered here will automatically update on the bar graph displayed in your presentation, ensuring that your slide stays current with the most recent data. Feel free to customize your chart further by playing around with the colors and overall design to match the theme of your presentation. Visual consistency is key to a professional look, so take advantage of the tools Google Slides offers to make your presentation visually appealing. And there you have it, you've successfully added a bar graph to your Google Slides presentation.